Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times this past week, and that is where the green line here is coming from. And overall, a couple little distinctions need to be made because, whether or not, how this chart looks to you is really going to be a matter of perspective and strategy. Meaning, if you were some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, maybe you bought right there this morning and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes. Well, then from those points of views, yeah, the chart's looking kind of shaky right now. But from the grand scheme of things, assuming you care about the big picture, everything is still perfectly fine. Yeah, I get it. There's a little gap down, and then the price just went sideways today. So are these days boring? Yeah, they're definitely boring compared to days where the price just seems to be shooting straight up. But just because something is boring doesn't mean that it's bad. No price can go straight up, unfortunately. You need to have consolidation. You need to have those periods where things just kind of level out, and that's what's going on right here. Now, I'm not saying that this thing, is going, up to $10. Maybe this is the top. Maybe this thing's getting ready to collapse, but that hasn't happened right now. My point here is that just because there is a slight gap down and then the price went sideways doesn't mean that the entire chart's destroyed or broken or anything. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price just continues to go sideways, that would make this chart look very, very healthy moving forward. So $7 remains that key level of support. Nothing new there to talk about, assuming you've watched past videos. And then also that purple line right there is the 50-period moving average, as I've talked about in past videos, and the price is well above there. So that's what I mean by, yeah, gap down, but it's not like there was any sort of major violations of the chart. $7, price is still above it. 50-period moving average, price is still up above it. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, if there is going to be any sort of bigger breakout now to the upside, 750 looking like it's going to be that thorn in the side right now of the bulls. So like I said, if there's any chance at all of the overall uptrend getting continuation and just, continuing to build upon itself, then that's all going to start and end with that 750 mark. So keep a close eye on that. But overall, yeah, some boring price movement, but overall still in a healthy chart. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.